Got an MREC file from a recording or memory capture utility? This is a data file storing memory or recording information from specialized capture software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you work with these memory recording files. Consider this essential for your toolkit, a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken MREC. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. MREC files are data files used by various recording or memory capture applications, storing recorded information such as application memory states, user input sequences, screen recordings, or session data. The specific content depends on the originating application and its recording purpose. MREC files use formats specific to the recording application that created them, potentially containing binary data structures with timestamps, event sequences, memory snapshots, or media recordings. The format follows the originating software specifications for capturing and replaying recorded information. When viewing the file metadata, the MREC shows a direct link to HXDHEX editor from Maël Hörz. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows may show the file type, but the actual data must be opened in the supporting software. We're performing an initial check of the application compatibility. Right-click your MREC file and choose Open with Test DHEX Editor first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a surprisingly simple fix. If the MREC file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The problem is usually not complex. It is almost certainly one of 3 easily fixable errors. I've created a simple list showing the 3 main culprits and their verification steps. First, identifying source application. Determine the application that created the MREC file by examining its origin and surrounding files. Check installed software for memory recorders, screen capture tools, or session recording applications. The originating application provides proper playback or analysis functionality for its specific MREC files. Next, inspecting contents. Open MREC files in a hex editor like HXD or text editor to examine the structure. Look for header signatures, readable strings, or recognizable data patterns indicating the file format. Some recording files contain ASCII portions revealing application names or recording metadata for identification purposes. Finally, playing or analyzing. Once the source application is identified, install it and use its playback or analysis features on the MREC file. Recording applications typically include timeline navigation, playback controls, and export functions to extract recorded data into standard formats for use in other software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.